afternoon. I'm Paloma Cristina Yaki from BTV 3-K FSMB. So today, I will show you my limited edition item na dito nyo lang makikita. At ito na siya, guys. Charan! Ang shining, shimmering, splendid na knife, blue knife na limited edition na dito nyo lang makikita, guys. Kaya i-add to cart nyo na yan, guys, dyan sa baba sa mga yellow basket. So today, I will show you what are the parts of this shining, shimmering, limited edition blue knife. This knife, guys, has a point, tip, edge, spine, bolster, heel, scales, tongue, handle, and also butt. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng mga yun, guys? Para ma-ensayo kayong gamitin ito sa kusina. So, guys, bawal yun, guys, ha? So, guys, ang knife na ito ay maraming parts na akala nyo ay panghiwa lang pala siya ng mga fruits and vegetable natin sa ating mga kusina. Pero, guys, the secret, shining, shimmering, blue knife, i-add to cart nyo, guys. Dito na lang yan makikita, guys. Okay, guys. And I will show you what are the parts and the meaning of this shining, shimmering, blue knife. So today, guys, the point. This is the point. The point at the very tip is used for piercing, scoring. It is an important feature of a boning knife where is used to dragger fashion. So, itong point, guys, explain ko lang, guys. Saan nyo ba ito palaging ginagamit? Ginagamit ito pang chop-chop, pwede ito siya pang gamit sa pang-open ng mga incan, mga food, incan food, guys. So, malaking epekto din ito, guys, sa ating pagluluto, guys. Lalo na pa natin itusok-tusok. Guys, ingat sa mga knife, guys, delikado ito. Pero pag itong inadtukan nyo, guys, ang shining, shimmering blue knife, sure, guys, na safe kayo. Next is the tip. The tip is the first third of the blade used for fine scaling. For example, garlic, onions, and mushrooms. So, guys, ang tip, ha? Marami akong tips sa inyo, guys, na dito nyo lang malalaman, guys. Next is the spine. This is the spine. The spine is at the top of the blade. You can hold for a better stability when finely chopping nuts or herbs, for adding strength when slicing hard ingredients like butternut and squash. So, guys, ang laki pala ng epekto nito, guys, kapag binili nito, guys. Kaya add to cart na kayo, guys, ha? Limited edition to, guys, remember. And the fourth is edge. This is the edge. Here. Edge. The belly or cutting edge. It is the part that works hardest when you're chopping and slicing. This area should be sharpened regularly. So, guys, ang edge pala, ayun pala yung ginagamit natin, guys. Panghiwa, guys, sa mga hihiwain natin. Kasi, guys, yung edge din pala, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Without edge, guys, mahihirapan tayong hiwain yung mga bagay or yung mga pagkain, raw food, fruits, and gulay na hihiwain natin. So, edge is the most important in the parts of the knife. And the next is heel. Where heel is located? Heel is located here. The heel is located here. Ha? Charit, guys. Heel. This is the heel. Heel is the section of the blade closest to the handle. Oh, wait, guys. Huwag kayo excited. Nasa heel pa lang tayo. Heel is the strongest part of the optimum area to use for shearing through dough ingredients. So, heel, guys. Diba? Ayun, guys. Yung heel nagagamit din natin siya pan chop, chop, chop. Kasi, guys, dito din minsan nagmumula yung force sa heel. And heel is nagagamit din natin siya sa pang-chop ng mga meat. So, ito nga lang, guys. Atong shining, shimmering, splendid natin na blue knife is wala siyang heel. Pero, I promise to you guys na kayo lang yung meron nito. At pag ginamit nyo to, lahat ng ulam o pagkain mo ay masarap. Guys, gets nyo ba? And next is bolster. Bolster is located here. A bolster is a thick piece of metal between the handle or blade, which adds weight and counterbalance between the blade and handle. Handle. Wait lang guys. Dito pala tayo sa bolster. And next is scales. Scales is located here. Here guys ha. Limited edition to guys. Kaya add to cart na kayo guys. Don't forget. Scales. Scales, the handle portion of a knife that are attached to the tongue. Tongue lang po wala po kung sinabing iba. The tongue is the part of the knife that creates the handle. Scales are often made of synthetic material or wood. Two scales are typically attached to the tongue with rivets. So, nagigets nyo na guys. Unting na lang guys. Maintindihan nyo na guys. Kaya, add to cart nyo na guys. Add to cart nyo na guys. Dito lang meron ito. The tongue is the part of the blade that extends into the handle. It is not always visible, but adds strength and balance to the knife. Look fully forced, meaning that the blade and tongue are made from one piece of steel. And the next guys is bolster. The bolster is located here. Here. A bolster is the thick piece of metal between the handle and blade, which adds weight and counterbalance between the blade and handle. The handle is as vital as the blade and can be made from plastic, wood, or metal. It should be comfortable to hold. To try it before buying. So, ito yung guys. Itong malaki na yun guys. Dito makikita yung handle guys. So guys, for today, I will show you what is the proper way of holding knife. So, ito nga pala guys, ang aking shining, shimmering, splendid na blue knife na dito nyo lang matatagpuan sa Pilipinas. Dito nyo lang makikita ang knife na, my god, kayo lang yung meron. Guys, kaya add to cart nyo na siya guys. So, I will tell you what is the proper way of holding knife. So, ang proper way nga pala, ang pag-hold ng knife is not ganito na nakahawak kayo mismo sa knife na sa blade na as in masusugatan na kayo. It's a wrong guys. So, dapat ang iyong thumb, this thumb, ang inyong thumb ay nakalocate dito. Para kapag pin-force nyo siya is merong for security na rin ng mga naghihiwa. So, kailangan guys, diba kapag naghihiwa tayo, alam mo yung proper. Hi guys! And this is the shining blue knife na dito nyo lang matatagpuan. And I will tell you guys, what is the price. So, tayo lang yung may alam guys. Dito nyo lang makikita to guys ha. So, eto na guys. Ang shining blue knife guys ha. Na tayo lang yung may alam. So guys, this shining blue knife is only 499 pesos guys. Oh my god guys, napakamura guys. Alam niyo ba na dito lang meron nun? Dito lang guys meron yun guys. Kaya mag-add to cart na kayo guys ha. This shining blue knife. So guys, thank you. Guys, add to cart na kayo guys. Malapit na maubos guys. Thank you so much. Mag-end ako na live guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.